episode, we are going to be talking about bullet journaling. A bullet journal is a place where you can write your diary, meditation notes, your food plans, your goals for the day. It's just an area to coordinate all the crazy things that are happening in your life on one page. Gather up the supplies that you need, an arrangement of washi tape, scrap papers that you have, or even used greeting cards. Some cool scissors that create all wavy patterns. Stencils that I got on Amazon that'll help with your journaling. It'll just give you some guidelines. If you want to further decorate, you can use a nice hole punch for the edges. And most importantly, some nice fine line markers. Let's get started. So I start the bullet journal by blocking off what I want. So I'm going to do a meal plan for this page. So I'm going to block off the 3 meals. I'm not going to bother measuring. This is just good. Now I'm going to add elements. I'm going to maybe put the letterings up here, or I can even go, I'll do 4 triangles per section. And I'll just use my thicker marker just to color it in. Nice and simply. There's 4 triangles. Do another 4 here. Hey, look at that. So I'm just gonna cut it to size. Forget it. I'm just gonna rip it to size. I have these scissors. I might just decorate up here or down there, just so it's a little bit. I'm just gonna write breakfast, lunch. For those counting calories, this is also great. You can write your calorie count, your protein, your carb intake, whatever you would like. Water during the day. So on the very bottom, maybe here, you can create an H2O section. You're supposed to drink 8 glasses of water a day, so we'll just create 8 little squares here, so we'll remember to drink water. Every time you have a cup of water, you can just cross it off your list. I'll call it H2O. And unfortunately, I haven't drank a lot, so I think I've done about 3 glasses already. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode on bullet journaling. If you guys have any tips and tricks on how to bullet journal, please let me know in the comments.